If you plan to drive for hire in Missouri, like transporting passengers or delivering goods, you'll need a Class E license. Let's walk through what's required and how to get it. The minimum age is 18. To apply, you'll take a written test that mainly covers information from the Missouri Driver Guide, especially the commercial section. You'll also need to pass a vision screening and a road sign test. If you already hold a regular Class F license, you don't have to take another driving test, but you'll still need to meet the under 21 requirements if you're applying at age 18. When you go to the license office, bring documents that confirm your name, date of birth, place of birth, your social security number, and proof of your Missouri address. Common examples include a certified birth certificate, US passport, social security card, a recent utility bill, or a bank statement. If your current name doesn't match the name on your ID, you'll also need documents like a marriage certificate or court order that shows the change. If you're renewing your license and you're over 65, you won't need to provide proof of place of birth again. And if you don't have a social security number, you'll need to sign an affidavit and bring a letter from the Social Security Administration explaining your situation. Before you go, double-check that you have everything with you. Missing documents are the number one reason people get delayed at the office. Once you pass the tests and your paperwork is approved, you'll be issued a Class E license. From there, you're legally cleared to drive for hire within Missouri. Getting this license is mostly about being prepared. Study the driver guide, gather your documents ahead of time, and you'll move through the process smoothly.